Hello everybody, welcome back to another Unreal Engine video. In this video we will be covering the free assets for Unreal Engine on the Unreal Marketplace for August 2021. Before getting right into this video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure the notification bells are clicked so you don't miss a single upload, stream, or premiere come to this channel. Also, don't forget to check out my Patreon page if you enjoy what you're seeing. You can join one of those levels and can unlock the exclusive benefits from early access, project files, source files, and so much more. Also, check out my Discord where you can check out can meet other YouTube content creators and game developers there. So, and also I want to give a shout out to today's video sponsor. This video is sponsored by Epic Games and Raise Energy. Thank you all for sponsoring for today's video. Right. So let's get right into this. Alright, the first one we're gonna look at is advanced female customization. What is this asset about? If we look at the description right here, says ultimate character customization tool allows you to generate 10,000 different female characters, clothe them up, and texture their cloth. All inside Unreal, then load them to your project. Brought to you by Heroes Journey, compatible with mannequins. Brought to you by Heroes Journey, compatible with Mannequin Skeleton. And the supported engine versions is 4.22 to 4.26. Of course. And what is their features? You can modify the character face and add makeup or dirt. Save your presets and load it in-game or editor. Add your characters to your project using a simple migrate node. Adjust your character height, weight, and most of her body. Okay, wow. Dress up your character from library of 30 plus clothing meshes. Built-in texturing tool allows to texture all your clothes. 6 different hair meshes, up to 12 unique hairstyles. And bottom here is more information. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my cart. So you want these characters for your game? All you gotta do is just click that add to cart button. It'll be added to your cart. And yes, you will get this little white exclamation point saying no compatible engine installed, because I have not installed the engine yet. Alright, so we're gonna go on to the next one. Come on. The next one is Luo's 8 elements. What is this asset? Combined version of 4 elements and 4 more elements packages with additional improvements and optimizations. Supported engine versions 4.16 to 4.26. In the screenshots it shows you different elements, which is pretty cool to see screenshots of things that the user can expect. Let's see what does it contain? 32 emitters, offense, defense, impact, ribbon trails, all named properly. 42 materials, 43 instances, often commented with additional info. 52 static matches between 4 and 2060 polygons. 67 textures, mostly noise, sprite, mask, flipbooks, 512 by 512 up to 4996, 4096, but cannot be resized when needed. So it's 512 by 512 up to 4096 by 496. Okay, when needed. 11 great material functions, expose, commented, useful, 3 vector fields, showcase content, blueprints, levels, blob character, wizard hat, and more. And more additional info. That this asset, the Lewis 8 elements is like you're gonna create like an MMORPG or like an RPG style game. For me, I'm gonna add, if you're gonna create something like that, just click that add to cart button. It will add to your cart. Well, I'm just gonna do it just in case for the sake of this video. This next one is in-game level editor. What is this asset for or about? Create levels in your game. You don't need to know blueprints for setup. Okay, that's a little description of what I need to know. Supported engine versions 4.22 to 4.26. Alright, here we go. Create levels in your game. Asset does not require blueprint knowledge, and also a detailed guide for implementation in your project. Despite the fact that the product is already ready, it is still being updated, introducing new features. To change or add a new object, you just need to add it to the data table and enter the name in an enum file. You can set geometry, blocky terrain, adjust lighting, use foliage, and different activity. Here's a little side note. When using this asset, when I just highlight in blue, that's a little side note for y'all to know. Alright, the features: modular terrain and geometry, lightning, foliage with destiny, auto rotation to floor, random Z rotation, and random size for the min and max. Activity, save load system, and additional information. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my cart. And let's go on to the next one. The next one is Modular Sci-Fi Office. This office is a part of a Skyfall restoration complex, which was built by Tsar Genomics Incorporated in 2045. Supported engine versions 4.18 to 4.26. Remember, each asset I'm showing y'all is they contain screenshots. I'm not gonna go through every asset, going through their screenshots on every asset. I just want to get this video done with. This is like a decent asset. I'm gonna go ahead and just click that add to cart button. Features: modular environment architecture, easy to assemble new levels, rich tile material library, lots of customization possibilities, advanced master materials which supports lots of features like triplanar mapping, parallax, occlusion, mapping, multiple normal max, etc. Quick lighting, customization by changing box, sphere, reflection, capture, offset values, grab a component, press G on any object with physics, enable it to get it, use a mouse to move and rotate it, interaction component, use pre-built interfaces and blueprints to build doors, switches, lockers, and other objects to interact with. Lots of use of blueprints like smart switches, doors, desk lamps, and fans, smart glasses, etc. So this I can use for kind of like a sci-fi game or something similar to it. Alright, and now we're on to the last one. The last asset of the free of the month for August 2020. August 2021 is the Root Motion Guide. What is this about? Root Motion Guide helps you use root motion animation in your game, and it provides various tools for using Mixamo animation. Mixamo animation is very good, but difficult to use in games. I made this to use Mixamo animations in the game. Root motion guide. Root motion guide helps you root motion animation in a game. Root motion movement selects the appropriate root motion animation and interlopes to smoothly perform root motion, and it provides a variety of tools for using Mixamo animations in the game. Blah 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 blah, and there's some tutorials on how to use this, which is really awesome. If you're struggling to import your own character and use the animations from Mixamo, there's more additional information if y'all need it. Are you good for a second? Video edit card. I think that's alright. So that's once you're satisfied with that, all these assets that you want to claim before they're gone for the month, or they're gonna be technically be gone forever after the month is over. Alright, so if we go to our shopping cart right now and press checkout, if you do get this message, just click continue anyway. It will take you to our screen. It might ask you for a payment method. Once you enter your payment information, it will take you to checkout. Alright, so the root motion guide is originally $34.99, which is $35. With it being the free for a month, we can get it for no cost, for free. And the in-game level editor is $29.99, which is technically, I'm gonna run it out to the nearest dollar, which is $30. If you get it now, you get it for free. And the modular certified office is $49.99, which is $50. Right now it's free if you get it now. And the 8 elements is $24.99, $25. If you get it now, it's free. And advanced female customization is $59.99, which is $60, which you will get now for free. You just save $60. But combine all these 5 assets together, we're looking at $199.95. We're almost looking at $200 worth of assets right here for the month. Yes, we're looking at $199.95, which we're looking at almost $200. If these weren't the free assets a month, we will be paying $200. $200 out of pocket. But now, since they're free for the month, we can get it at no cost. So we just save $200. So once you satisfy that, you just click place order. But I need to go back out because I don't want these 8 elements because I'm not making an MMORPG. So I'm gonna just click out of there. So, alright guys, that's the free assets for Unreal Engine for August 2021. If you guys want to learn how to create your own games from scratch and using the Unreal Engine, Unity Engine, or watch me play games, or learn how to create your own, how to use specific softwares like Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, Filmora, and so much more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also make sure the notification bell is clicked so you don't miss a single upload come to this channel. Once again, shout out for today's video sponsor, Epic Games and Raise Energy. If you use my code JohnJohn58 in the Iron Shop or on the Epic Games Store, make sure you use JohnJohn58 in the Epic Games Store and Fortnite Item Shop. Also, for Raise Energy, there's a link for them down in the description. Also, if you use my code JohnJohnGames at checkout, you get 15% off your entire order. So, also don't forget to check out my Discord and my Patreon, all my social media to keep up to date. What I plan for the future to come. Alright guys, thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys in a brand new video.